us apart. Life's no game, there's no restart. Only you could play your part. I tiptoe to the rhythm of your heart. Dance to the bourbon beat. Is she coming with you? Are you coming with me? It's not hard to see, my favorite number is 3. You can pay my feet in diamond jewelry. Paper comes and goes, price of gold goes up. Never settle down, only marry up. And the doors go up on the cherry truck. Iced up from my head to my toe. To the jewelry store, Christian Dior, me dragging to the floor. I don't really care about money anymore. Pay me in jewels while I'm pulling up a gold. Tiptoeing to the jewelry store, Christian Dior, me dragging to the floor. I don't really care about money anymore. Pay me in jewels while I'm pulling up a gold.
Tiptoe, tiptoe, spinning the big roll. Ain't no penny flipping cities, sticking our hits toes. Went from taking sacks and trapping down at the Citco to flipping tickets to bitches flashing on front rows. Ooh, ain't no dreaming that's coming true. That's the cleanest chain, the pinky rings black and blue. Yeah, used to wish upon a list to bring me the big tours. Now I'm rocking some American, making big noise. Never get mad 'cause I can see them who try to hold me down. 2 tears in the bucket, fuck it, I load up a whole round. Pop, 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 pop into the clip, I gotta go. Exotic boots on the floor.
Tiptoeing to the jewelry store, Christian Dior, me dragging to the floor. I don't really care about money anymore. Pay me in jewels while I'm pulling up a gold. Tiptoeing to the jewelry store, Christian Dior, me dragging to the floor. I don't really care about money anymore. Pay me in jewels while I'm pulling up a gold.
Yeah, ice on my chest look like Polar Express. Jordan high roller on the back of the headrest. Even after I retire, I'm still in the game. Like the red, white, and blue rectangular frame on the NBA on the silhouette of Jerry West. Next year I might play for the Nets. Diamonds green like the autographed Keyshawn Johnson jersey when he used to not want to play for the Jets. Louis Vuitton bedspread sets for my next 10 butterscotch bad bitch guests that would rather argue or have sex. I guess it's easier to be famous online than famous really in person. I had to skip town, the paparazzi kept lurking. I had to leave the movie set of Tommy Boy 2 'cause they tried to pay in cash, but I'm only paid in jewels.
Tiptoeing to the jewelry store, Christian Dior, me dragging to the floor. I don't really care about money anymore. Pay me in jewels while I'm pulling up a gold. Tiptoeing to the jewelry store, Christian Dior, me dragging to the floor. I don't really care about money.